Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, miss.
Good afternoon. Today we are going to see the CVC words with a sound. Okay. CVC words with a sound. Are you all ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Already we have learned the sounds. We have learned the CVC words with sound a, e. Already we have learned that, and this week we are going to learn the CVC words with sound a. Okay. Okay. This first set of words alone I will read for you. Remaining set of words you are going to come and read. Okay, listen to me carefully. Ig,
Ig.
a,
A.
ga,
Ga.
im,
Im.
gum,
Gum.
is, a,
A.
sa,
Sa.
im,
Im.
sam.
Sam.
இது வந்து எச்சோட சவுண்ட் என்ன? ஆ,
Ha.
ஹா,
Ha.
இம்,
Im.
ஹம்,
Ham.
ம், ம், ஆ,
A.
மா,
Ma.
இம்,
Ma.
மம்.
Mum.
Okay, are you all ready now?
Yes.
Okay, first let's call Avantika. You come here. Padi. Okay, start. Mm.
A.
Mm.
Ba. Itta. Batta.
Very good.
Ikku.
Mm.
A.
Mm.
Ka.
Mm.
Itta.
Mm.
Kach.
Cut.
Cut.
Very good.
A.
அது சவுண்ட் எப்படி வரணும்?
Ha.
ம், ம், ஹா,
Ha. Itta.
ம்,
Hut.
ம், வெரி குட்.
In.
ம், ம்,
Na.
ம்,
Itta.
ம்,
Nut. Nut.
ம், very good. Clap for Avantika. You can go to your place. Next, Arish, you come here. You should read these set of words.
B.
ம்,
A.
ம்,
Ba.
ம்,
G.
ம்,
Bug.
very good.
Ir.
ம்,
A.
ம்,
Ra.
ம்,
Ig.
ம்,
Rug.
very good.
Im.
ம்,
A.
ம்,
Ma.
ம்,
Ig.
ம்,
Mug.
very good. ம்,
A.
ம்,
Hug.
very good. Clap for Arish. You can go to your place, Arish. Next, Sanjana, you come. Sanjana, you are going to read these set of words. Okay, are you ready? Okay, you can start.
Ip.
Mm.
A. Ba. Ip. Pup.
Very good.
Ik.
Mm.
A.
Mm.
Ka.
Mm.
Ip.
Mm.
Pup.
Very good.
Il.
Mm.
A.
Mm.
La.
Mm.
Ip.
Mm.
Lap.
Very good. Mm.
A.
Mm.
Sa.
Mm.
Ip.
Mm.
Sap.
Okay, very good. Clap for Sanjana. You can go to your place, Sanjana. Next, Tivisha, you come here. Come and sit there. Are you ready, Tivisha? Are you ready, Tivisha?
Yes, miss.
Okay, you can start.
Be. A. Ba. Inne. Benne.
Very good.
Isse. A. Sa. Inne. Sanne.
Very good.
Re. A. Ra. In. Ren.
Very good.
G. A. Ga. In. Gun.
Very good. Clap for Tivisha. You can go to your place, Tivisha. Darshit. Now, Darshit, you come and try the next set of words.
Im.
Mm.
A.
Mm.
D.
ம் அப்படி ரெண்டு ரெண்டு ரெண்டா படி அப்போ தான் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும்.
Im.
ம்
A.
ம்
Ma.
ம்
Ida.
ம்
Matte.
வெரி குட்.
P.
இப்.
Pippa.
ம்
A.
ம் இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்து சொல்லு.
Ip.
ம்
A.
ம்
Ba.
ம்
D.
Sound.
Ite. Bate.
Very good.
Ikka.
இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்து சொல்லணும்.
Ka. Ite. Kate.
Very good.
Ippe. Ite.
ஜாயின் பண்ணி சொல்லு.
Ippe. Pa. Ite. Bate.
Very good. Clap for Darshit. Very good. You can go to place that. Very good. Next, Arfat, you come. You sit there itself and read. You read.
Ka. Ippe. Kabbe.
Very good.
Te.
Mm.
Ta. Ippe. Tabbe.
Very good.
Ra. Ippe. Rabbe.
Very good.
Pa. Pa. Ippe. Pabbe.
Very good. Clap for Arfat. Very good. You can go to place, Arfat. Now we all learned how to read the CVC words with our sound. Or arrow with this. Very good. You all read very well. You can clap your hands.